Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. If you saw where I made a mistake yesterday, leave a comment down below. Looks like today we're going to try number 137. If we start with this row here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 4, 1, and 7 here. That means this is our 4, 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 4 here means this is our 5, 4. For this bottom row now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 3. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. And I don't see any help, so 4, 8, 4, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, and I don't see any other help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. And that means our 7 for that box has to be here. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 covering both of these boxes, so our 3 has to be here. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. And for this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 7, no help here, 4, 7, 8, 7 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 1. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. That 4 makes this our 8, 7. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. If we look at this row now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. And to finish out this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.